Hekshui Dongmo Precision Metal Products Co., Limited, parent companion rental mold factory, built in May 1986. In March 2020, we registered and established a new company, Hekshui Dongmo Precision Metal Products Co., Limited, and opened foreign currency accounting business, always committed to home appliances, hardware, construction, medical, automobile, high-speed rail, aerospace, and other fields. Advanced molding process technology R&D, high-end equipment, components, process design optimization, mold design and manufacturing, professional equipment R&D, forming processing, manufacturing, performance testing, high-end equipment parts manufacturing enterprises, guided by new technologies, specializing in research and development, design, manufacturing stamping molds and stamping parts, 30 years of stamping die design, punching, bending, forming, and other difficult mold manufacturing, has accumulated rich experience. Senior Chief Engineer for 40 years engaged in mold design. Dying young engineers graduated from institutions of high learning design professional skilled application of Kadao Kim Ao C Technology, CNC, CNC Machining Center, CNC Wire Cutting Machine, CNC Electric Spark Forming Machine, Vehicle, Milling, Grinding, etc. High Precision and Processing Equipment, Punching Processing Equipment, 700T, 630T, 500T, 315T, 200T, 160T, 100T Hydraulic Stretch Forming Machine, and various tonnage presses, cutting equipment, two-dimensional CNC laser cutting machines, 3D CNC laser cutting machine. The company has passed ISO 9001, 2015 International Quality System Certification.